How to fix WhatsApp verification code not received. So if you want to fix your WhatsApp verification code not received, then first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to just scroll down, and after scrolling down here you will have apps section on the bottom. Tap on apps and then again scroll down and find WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp. After tapping on WhatsApp, now here you will have the messages section. So you just need to simply find the messages. Go with default messaging app, which is messages, and go back, and here you'll have iMessage option. So you just need to simply make sure that your iMessage is turned on. After that, make sure all of the access is turned on. Allow all of the features. You can allow the notifications, the contact access, the photos access, microphone, camera, face ID, all of the other access. Once you've done with it, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then make sure that your do not disturb mode is not turned on, because if it is turned on, you will not receive the verification code. Make sure that it is not turned on, and after that, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can go with your settings, and under settings you can just go and turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds and then again turn it off, and after doing that your problem will be fixed, and now your verification code will be received. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.